How to find range overlap in Python. What is the best way in Python to determine what values in two ranges overlap? For example, given a range, x, what is the best way to iterate through another range, y, and output all values that are shared by both ranges? Thanks in advance for the help. Edit. As a follow-up, I realized that I also need to know if x does or does not overlap y. I am looking for a way to iterate through a list of ranges and undo a number of additional things with range that overlap. Is there a simple true/false statement to accomplish this?
Try with set intersection. Output. Note that intersection accepts any iterable as an argument. Y is not required to be converted to a set for the operation. There is an operator equivalent to the intersection method but in this case it requires both arguments to be sets.
You can use sets for that, but be aware that set, list, or removes all duplicate entries from the list.
If the step is always +1, which is the default for range, the following should be more efficient than converting each list to a set or iterating over either list.
If you're looking for the overlap between two real-valued bounded intervals, then this is quite nice. I couldn't find this online anywhere, so I came up with this and I'm posting here.
If you want to support the channel, please consider